and share fun. Now let's start with the learning of contracted sounds. Now let's start learning. Now let's learn the contracted sounds. We will take all the letters from E line and all the letters from the ear line and combine them together. For example, take ki and combine it with ya. Then it will become kya. For now, let us understand how to write kya. First, write a ki. And just below ki, write a small ya. Then it will become kya. If we write ki and ya in the same line and height, then it will pronounce as kiya, kiya. Now let's learn all the contracted sounds. This one is kya. This one is Q. This one is Q. This one is Gya. This one is Gyu. And this one is Gyu. This one is Sha. This one is Shu. This one is Sho. This one is Jia. This one is Jiu. And this one is Jo. Next is Cha, Chu, Cho. Now let's move to the next slide and learn some more new contracted sounds. This one is nya, new, nyo. Here, hyu, hyo. Bya, byu, byo. Pya, pyu, pyo. Nya, myu, myo. Rya, ryu and ryo. Now let's learn some words related to the contracted sounds. A word with kya is kya, ku, ho, kya kuhon, kya kuhon means script. Next, Q. A word with Q is Q, U, Ko, U. Kyoku, Kyoku means hurrying to somewhere. Next, Q. A word with Q is Kyo, U, Shi, Tsu. Kyoshitsu. Kyoshitsu means classroom. Next, Gya, Gyo. A word with Gya is Gya, Ku, Te, Gyakuten. Gyakuten means change. Next, Gyu. A word with Gyu is Gyu, U, Ni, Ku. Gyuniku. Gyuniku means beef. Next, Gyo. A word with Gyo is Gyo, Se, Gyosen. Gyosen means fishing boat. Next, Shashusho. A word with Sha is Sha, Shi, Shashin. Shashin means photograph. Next, Shu. Shu, Ku, Da, I. Shukudai. Shukudai means homework. Next, Show. A word with show is Sho, Ku, Do, U. Shokudo. Shokudo means dining hall. Next, Jajuju. A word with Ja is Ja, Ku, Te, Jakuten. Jakuten means weak point. A word with Ju is Ju, Ju, U. Jugo. Jugo means lesson. Next, Jo. A word with jo is jo, u, ho, u. Joho. Joho means information. Next. Chachucho. Let us start from chachucho. A word with cha is cha, e, ro. Chairo. Chairo means light brown. Next. Chu. A word with chu is chu, u, sha, jo, u. Joshaju. Joshaju means parking lot. Next. Cho. A word with cho is cho, ku, se, chokusen. Chokusen. Straight line. Next. Nyanino. A word with nya is nya, ko. Nyanko. Nyanko means little kitty cat. Next. New. A word with new is new, u, e, n. New in means hospitalization. Next. No. No. A word with no is no, ni, nyonin. Nyonin means woman. Next. Hya, hyu, hyo. A word with hya is hya and ku. Hyaku means 100. We will learn more words of hue in our katakana series. Now let's learn a word with hyo. Hyo, u, ka. Hyoka. Hyoka means evaluation. Next. Bya, byu, byu. A word with bya is bya, ku, da, byakudan. Byakudan means Indian sandalwood. Next. We will learn more words of byo in my katakana series. Now we will learn byu. Byu, u, de, view then means false report. Next. Pya, pyu, pyo. So a word with, we are going to learn more words of pya in my katakana series. Pyu. So a word with pyu is pyu, pew. Pew pew. Pew pew means whistle of sound. Next. Pyo. A word with pyo is pyo, pyo, pyon pyon. Pyon pyon means hopping. Next. Mya and meow. So a word with mya is mya, ku, ha, ku. Okay. Myaku haku. Myaku haku means pulse rate. Next. Meow. So a word with meow is mew, u, ba, Myoban. Myoban means tomorrow evening. Next. Rya, ryu, huryo. So a word with rya is rya, ku, su. Ryakuzu. Ryakuzu means rough sketch or rough map. Next. Ryu. So a word with ryu is ryu, u, ga, ku, se, e. So, the pronunciation becomes Ryugakusei. Ryugakusei means foreign student. Now let's start with long vowels. So as you know, the vowels are A, E, U, A, O. And the long vowels are A, E, U, A and O. Now let us understand with some examples. So the first example is O, Ji, Sa, Oji-san. Oji-san means uncle. And the next example is O, G, E, Sa, Oji-san. Oji-san means grandfather. Did you notice the difference in the pronunciation of these two examples? The first one is Oji-san and the second one is Oji-san. As per the pronunciation, the meaning of the word will change. Now let's see the other examples. Next is O, Ba, Sa, Obasan. Obasan means aunt. The next is Oba, A, Sa, Obasan means grandmother. Next, O, Ka, A, Sa, Okasan means mother. Next, Su, Zu, Shi, E. Sushi means school. Now let's start with the double consonants. For double consonants, letters like Pa, Ta, Ka, Sa, we write the pair with a half size tsu. Now let's understand with some examples. First word is Ga, Ko, U. Did you notice the half size su in between ka and ko? Because of this su, the sound of ka becomes longer and hence the pronunciation is gakko. Gakko means school. Likewise, the next example is za, she. Did you see the half size su between za and she? So the sound of sa is longer and hence the pronunciation is zashi. Means maxi. The third example is, in the third example, su is present in between k and te and hence the sound will become longer and the pronunciation is kitte means postal stamp. Now let us understand the different sounds of this letter. Usually the pronunciation of this letter is na or ma. Japanese people are not aware of the different sounds of this letter. But in some of the Japanese language textbooks, the following rules are written. When this letter comes before ma line, for example, ma, mi, mu, me, mo, or ba line like ba, bi, bu, be, and bo, and pa line like pa, pi, pu, pe, and po, it sounds like ma. Let us understand from some word examples. The first word is empitsu. This letter comes before P and P is the per line letter. and hence, as per the rule, the sound of the letter will become ma. Likewise, in the next example is senpai. The letter comes before pa letter and hence the sound will become ma. In the next example, the letter comes before ba letter and hence it will sound like and the pronunciation is ni, ho, ba, shi. Nihonbashi. Nihonbashi. The next word is shi, ma, bu, na. Shimbun. Shimbun. For your better understanding, please pause this video and read the rules again. These are some more rules, and if you want to remember some more rules, then please pause this video and read the rules. I hope you learned something new in today's video, and if you liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.